Welcome to this channel. This video session discusses about skewed distribution. In the previous video, we have seen how data are normally distributed. To refresh it, let us see some of the differences between normal distribution and skewed distribution. We know many variables have approximately normal distribution, but some are skewed. Let us see what are some of the differences between normal distribution and skewed distribution. Normal distribution is a bell-shaped curve, symmetric about the mean. Skewed distribution is asymmetric. Here, the main differences is symmetry and asymmetry in the distribution. This is about the shape of the distribution. Skewness refers to asymmetry. In normal distribution, half of the values or observations are above the mean and half below the mean. If we take the variable height, height is found to be normally distributed in a population. I will explain this with an example. The height of healthy women were recorded and found to be between 145 and 175 centimeters. We can plot this in a graph with x-axis and y-axis. X-axis denotes the height in centimeters and y-axis denotes the number of women. The mean is found to be 150 centimeters. Data is found to be distributed equally on both sides of the central value. Thus, when the graph is drawn, it is found to be in the shape of a bell and bilaterally symmetrical. Mean, median and mode are equal in a normal distribution. Mean equal, median equal, mode. In a skewed distribution, mean, median and mode are not equal. Variables like height, weight, IQ, BMI, blood pressure are normally distributed or approximately normally distributed in a population. But some variables are not always normally distributed. Distribution is not always symmetrical. In that case, it is skewed distribution. The variables like income, lifespan, age of death, stock market returns, scores in play activities, cricket scores, exam scores may be skewed. In skewed distribution, mean, median and mode are not equal. And mean value does not coincide with its peak value as in the case of normal. But in normal distribution, mean value coincides with the peak value. Then, in normal distribution, the tail extends equally and has a central peak. It is clear from the picture. That is, mean is in the center. Data distributed equally on both sides of the mean. Two halves are mirror images of each other, so no extension of tail. In skewed distribution, tails are not extended equally. One tail extends more than the other. Peak is to the left or right. This is because mean value does not coincide with its peak value. That is why asymmetry in the distribution. These are the main differences between normal distribution and skewed distribution. So the differences are clear from the picture with normal distribution as well as skewed distribution. Next, we can explore more about skewed distributions. That is positively skewed distribution and negatively skewed distribution. Positively skewed distribution is also called right skewed distribution And negatively skewed distribution is also called left skewed distribution. It is clear from the picture, the distribution with its tail on right side. So if the distribution has a tail on the right side, it is positively skewed or right skewed. And the long tail is in the positive direction on the number line. More values are on to the left side of the distribution. Only few values are to the right. In negative skewness, distribution with its tail on left side, mean is to the left of the peak. The mean is more than median and is present on the right side of the median and mode. In positive skewness, mean is more than the median and is present on the right side of the median and mode. The peculiarity in tail of the distribution is towards the higher values. The data is concentrated towards lower values in positive skewness. So the concentration of data in positive skew distribution is towards left and the tail is towards the right. That is, the tail of the distribution is towards the higher values, but data concentration is towards lower values. In negative skewness, the tail of the distribution is on the left side. More values are plotted on the right side of the distribution, few on the left side or to the tail side. Here, the concentration of data are towards higher values, tail extends towards lower values. Mean is greater than median and mode in positive skewness, and in negative skewness, mean less than median, less than mode. I will explain this positive skewness and negative skewness with examples. In case of positive skewness, an example, if we consider income in a population, more people falls in the average or low income group, few people in higher income group. Data values are piled towards low on middle income group. Mean is towards right, that is in higher income. Skewness is towards right side, that is positively skewed distribution. So the mean is towards the right side. More people are below the mean or towards the below average or low income group. So the concentration of data is towards left side and few people are towards the higher income group. So the skewness is towards the right, that is positive skewness. In negative skewness, example, if we take the marks scored by students in the exam, the range of mark is found to be between 20 to 80 out of 100. Majority scored between 50 and 80, few less than 50. So the concentration of mark, the students who got higher marks are more and few only got less than 50. So the skewness is towards left side, that is negatively skewed. If it is a difficult exam and only few students scored high marks and majority scored less mark, data are concentrated to the left side. The long tail of the distribution will be towards right side, that is positively skewed. But if the exam is easy, the students who got higher marks are more in number. Few students only scored low marks. Then the tail of the distribution will be towards left side, that is negatively skewed. So the skewness depends upon concentration of data, whether to the left or to the right side. If the data is piled up to the left side, it is positively skewed, and if the data is more towards right side, it is negatively skewed. That is all about skewness, that is positively skewed distribution and negatively skewed distribution. Hope it is clear. Thank you.